We're here at beautiful Venice Beach, Florida, getting ready to do some shark's tooth hunting.
Is it warm, Hall? Is it warm?
No. We need to do the stingray shuffle.
No.
Stingray shuffle? You don't remember that? That sounds like a dance. No, it's a shuffle to make sure you don't step on stingray. I don't think we're far. Oh God. I've never been.
Did you miss it?
Yeah, I did.
You gotta be faster than that. Holland, show me the stingray shuffle so that people know what it is. But it's supposed to be in the water.
I got it.
What'd you get, George?
It's like a basic, but it's like in good condition. It's in mint condition. Oh God, that's it.
You guys show me what you found.
I got this one.
What'd you find, Hall? Hold it out.
I don't know. She got, of course, she got lucky.
Yeah, she got lucky. That's skill.
Is there something in it?
No. All right, it's filming. Hang on to it tight. All right, ready for some shark's teeth?
Yeah. Wait, if you get a shark tooth on your first time, that would be crazy. Is there any technique to it?
You get on the edge, you get right on the ridge. Dump it and see what we got.
Yeah. Oh, why did the screen go black? Dad, the screen went black. Why didn't that?
It's still filming, Sweet Pea.
Oh.
Look and see if you got anything here. Oh, I should have dumped it further away.
Yeah, probably. This shark tooth is gonna get carried away. Ooh, this one's kind of cool.
And, oh, did you get it?
Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that.
And
You got something good out of it. Go up here this time. Right there. You got like nothing. It's like a good piece of rock. I'm gonna take that.
no shark's teeth.
Man,
Try again.
are you like determined to get one?
Yes, I'm totally determined to get one.
Is that sarcastic or?
No.
Is that cold, Holland? It is kind of cold. this time. Hood of the... Got anything good? I found another little rock. I don't know what it is. It's a pretty piece of shell.
I think it's part of a crab.
Wow. It's part of a crab, Holland.
Look here. Spiral one, Holland. Hold it out. Show your sister.
Oh, that's pretty good. I'm declaring that as the best thing we've gotten so far. The crab leg part, whatever competes though. What's that? It's a bird. Oh, there was a wasp on your hat. No, that was a dragonfly. There was a dragonfly on your hat, Dad. It flew off into the sky. Hold your bag. I'm filming. I'm just gonna put it at the No, give it back. Give it back. Holland. Well, she ran off with my seashell bag.
All right, the shark's teeth are all mine anyway.
No. That looks good. That looks like some good ones. Good ones?
Good spot, huh?
Yeah. I'm back just in time to get more seashells. Spiral one. Oh my god, look at that one.
That's nice. Make sure you don't have a critter in it.
This one looks like an egg. We don't got nothing in it.
I like these, the fat ones.
Me too. Dad, the camera went black. Oh. What's this? Look at this one.
That's nice.
Get a good one, Cole.
There's an edge that goes down. Yeah, it does. Yeah. I felt something on my leg. Which is probably on the seaweed. I know, whatever the heck it is. It freaks you out.
I think fights coming in.
Yeah. Okay, here's a finish pushing in. Please dance.
I didn't get very much. What?
That's like 2
You
seashells.
just flicked all the sand over it.
I'm looking.
Yeah, flicking all the sand over it. I couldn't even look.
Do you even seashell, Georgia?
Yes, I do. I found
I'll
more
go get
than
another
you.
scoop.
It was my plan all along. But it was to get more.
Get out there further. Further than that.
Further.
Further than that. Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
she's scared
Whoa.
the sharks are gonna get her. The shark
Oh,
dragging
oh.
you down. Can I come in?
Get you a good scoop.
Can I go with that? Can I get in?
I don't know, it might wash you out to sea. I am.
The ocean's dragging me in.
They're filming.
Oh no, they flew off.
Whoa, 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 your mom's gonna fall.
It's like a tsunami.
You're so gonna fall down.
No. I already staying still. A fossil.
I think it's a skate tooth, a wore down skate tooth. All right, you want to go dump this one up there and see what we can find? See if there's anything else.
Dad, why does the screen keep on blacking out like that? And
I
I
don't
have
know.
to double click it.
And there's maybe another one, Hall.
Whoa, here. Shows. Drop it.
Just tell your mom to come down here.
Here, I'll go get her. And go put these in the back too. Yeah, yeah.
Don't run over the sea turtle's nest.
Those are two like fossils. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Wait, this is fun.
It's cold, Mom. It's cold. Come on.
This is fun.
Holland, don't go out too deep.
I'm not.
Look at that one over there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, right after another one.
Oh, those poor people. Why are you grabbing my leg?
I didn't.
Yes, you did. I'm not
No.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
I think it's finally the moment.
Finally got a.
Don't drop it.
Yay! Oh my God, yes!
Finally got us one.
Do not drop it. I touched it.
Finally got a shark tooth.
Do not drop it.
And here we have our finds from Venice Beach yesterday. A lot of seashells, some sea glass. People are polluting slobs. A couple cool pieces though. This piece has been in there a while. It's pretty wore. Really cool little red shell Nicole found. Several fossils. I think a piece of bone here maybe. Georgia found a bunch of seashells, some pretty good ones, a lot of spiral shells. And then here's Holland's meager finds. Of course, she claimed the shark's tooth and probably the other best fossil. Well, that'll do it.